Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2024, and we're diving into Fulcrum Therapeutics' latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Fulcrum Therapeutics is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing small molecules for genetically defined rare diseases. Their recent report provides insights into their financial health and strategic progress, particularly in their lead program, pociredir, for sickle cell disease.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Fulcrum reported a net loss of $21.7 million for the third quarter of 2024, which is an improvement from the $24 million loss in the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this?
Indeed, the reduction in net loss is a positive sign. The EPS for this quarter was minus 35 cents, which actually beat the analyst's forecast of minus 40 cents. This indicates that Fulcrum is managing its expenses more effectively, despite the challenges in their clinical trials.
That's interesting. How does this align with their operational strategies?
Well, the decrease in research and development expenses, down to $14.6 million from $18.2 million, reflects their strategic shift after suspending the losmapimod program. They're reallocating resources to advance pociredir, which is crucial for their future growth.
Strategic initiatives and pipeline progress. Moving on to their strategic initiatives, Fulcrum is progressing with the Phase 1b Pioneer trial for pociredir. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. The Pioneer trial is crucial for Fulcrum's pipeline, focusing on sickle cell disease. They're currently in Cohort 3, testing a 12 milligrams dose, and will soon move to a 20 milligrams dose in Cohort 4. This trial is expected to provide significant data by 2025, which could be a game changer for their treatment approach.
How does this align with their overall strategy?
Fulcrum is concentrating on areas with high unmet medical needs. By advancing pociredir, they aim to address the urgent need for effective sickle cell treatments, especially after the global withdrawal of OXBRYTA. This focus could position them as a leader in this niche market.
Financial position and cash guidance. Let's discuss Fulcrum's financial position. They ended the third quarter with $257.2 million in cash and equivalents. What does this mean for their future operations?
This strong cash position, bolstered by an $80 million upfront payment from Sanofi, provides them with a runway into at least 2027. They expect to end 2024 with around $240 million, which is quite robust for a clinical stage company. Their projected cash burn for 2025 is between $55 million and $65 million, indicating prudent financial management.
How does this impact their strategic goals?
With a solid cash foundation, Fulcrum can continue to invest in their pipeline, particularly in advancing pociredir and exploring new therapeutic areas. This financial stability is crucial for sustaining their long-term research and development efforts.
CEO insights and future outlook. Finally, let's hear from Fulcrum's leadership. CEO Alex C. Sapir emphasized their commitment to sickle cell disease. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
CEO Alex C. Sapir highlighted the urgency for effective sickle cell treatments, especially with the withdrawal of OXBRYTA. He expressed confidence in pociridir's potential to increase fetal hemoglobin, which could significantly alleviate symptoms of sickle cell disease. The company is on track to provide pivotal data from the Pioneer trial in 2025, which could validate their therapeutic approach.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, Fulcrum's focused strategy and promising pipeline offer a compelling opportunity, especially if pociredir proves successful. The upcoming data in 2025 will be critical in assessing their long-term potential.
Key takeaways. In summary, Fulcrum Therapeutics has shown resilience with a reduced net loss and a strong cash position. Their strategic focus on sickle cell disease and the promising pociredir trial are key highlights. John, any final thoughts?
Fulcrum's financial discipline and strategic focus position them well for future growth. The upcoming Pioneer trial data will be crucial, and investors should keep a close eye on their progress.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Fulcrum's performance in the comments below.